Number one is called as what do you mean by drill down, drill up, show next level, expand next level. Those things we learned using this topic. Then we went for what do you mean by drill through. These are the two things what you know about it. Okay, one is called as drill capabilities. Drill capabilities in that one drill down, drill up, show next level, expand next level. Second is drill through. Drill through is acting as a kind of filter that also we observed it. Now, apart from the drill through filter, there are some specific other filters also available. We need to know about it. By this time, we are aware of one of the filter that is called as slicer filter. We are aware of it. Second, we are aware of is drill through filter. We are aware of it. Down the line, we'll be knowing this one. It is not at this point of time our scope. We are going to discuss this one down the line. In this chapter, our mainly scope is in this chapter, our major scope is this is what the scope of our chapter. So we need to understand what are the filters are available. What are the filters are available inside the window called as filter pan window. In the filter pan window, what are the filters are available? We need to know about it. What do you mean by visualization level filter? What do you mean by page level filter? What do you mean by all page level filter? This is what you're going to understand today. Now let me open Power BI desktop. I'm trying to open Power BI desktop. Then you see this diagram. This is a beautiful diagram actually. So we have huge amount of data maybe inside the database. We have huge amount of data maybe inside the database. That huge amount of data, whatever available, we are taking. Then we are applying so many filters. We are applying it. We're applying filter one, maybe filter two, maybe a number of filters we're applying on top of this one. We're applying on top of this database. We're applying so many filters. After filtering, whatever remaining is available that we are trying to present inside the visualization, we are trying to present it. That's right. So wherever we have the data, on top of the data, we're applying the filters, then we are providing the visualization. Let us go and try to do the same activity. We open Power BI desktop, then close this. Last file, whatever available, same file we can take it. So go for recently, think is this the recent one? Lab to final. Let's take this one. Now, right side, as of now, we land fields tab, we land. Then we land visualizations tab, we land. So the fields window has all the model columns, tables, those information. Visualizations window has the information called as all the different types of visualizations available. Next, we have one more thing that's called as filters is available. We need to know about these filters. So this filter pan, if I expand it, we are able to see, suppose I am selecting this visualization also. Once I selected the visualization, we have here three things we are able to observe it. Filter on this visual. Okay, we are going to apply filter on this particular visual. We are going to apply. Whatever we are applying, that will apply to only this visual. Now, second, we can able to observe here filter on this page is available. Filter on this page is available. That means if you apply anything in this box, that is going to apply to all the all the visualizations which are available inside this page. It is going to apply. Next is available. Next is available something called as next is available something called as filter on all pages. We have it. If I apply something on this area, that is going to apply to all the pages which are available, it's going to apply. It may be page one or page two, doesn't matter. It is going to apply to page one as well as page two or whatever we have it basically. So based on this one, inside the filter pan now, how many types of filters are available? Inside the filter pan, how many types of filters are available?
Three filters.
Yeah, three types of filters. One is only visualization, what you selected, that on that one it is going to impact. Second is all the visualizations within that page it is going to impact. Third is all the pages it is going to impact. Okay, for better understanding, let us go and try to create here from fresh. I am creating. Let me delete this, and I am creating one empty page. Let me delete this also. Now delete it. Now let's go and try to provide here one category column. I'm trying to take a column called as category. Then we are trying to take a column called as region. Then we are going for, let's say, sales amount. We are going. So sales amount, revenue. Okay, revenue we have it. So this revenue we are trying to take it. We have three columns we taken here. We have three columns we taken here. Just for visibility purpose, I am also making this page as bigger size. Now I'm able to see this page. In this page, I have the categories is mix, then rural, then urban, then youth. These are the things what we have. Now same visualization, whatever I have here, I would like to copy and paste into another page, or else I can do the duplication of this one. I can do it. I am duplicating this page. Even one more duplication also I am doing. Now I have here three copies are available. This is a page two, is the one copy. Then duplication of page two, then duplicate of page two. Total how many copies are there? How many pages are there? Three. Now in the page two, what I will do is I'll go and try to apply a filter on this visualization. Before doing that one, even I would like to go and I want to create here one more visualization I am creating here itself. Same thing, even I can go and I can copy and paste it. Now I can say in this page how many visualizations I have. In this page, how many
Two.
visualizations I have? Two visualizations we have. If you want to put some proper names also, you can able to put it. Okay, let's say if I go to the format your visual, there you can see a option called as general. Then we have here title is available. You can provide here whatever title you wanted. Suppose I am providing first one title as okay, visualization one. Okay, then second one title I am providing as, for example, visualization two. Visualization two. So both the things I provide the title is the visualization one and this is the visualization two. I'm selecting now visualization one, then go to the filter span. Then I'm trying to select here category is equal to, for example, mix I am selecting. Mix I am selecting. Now we can able to observe here this is impacted. This is impacted. This visualization is impacted, showing only mixed corresponding data. And if you observe in the top, we have one button, even filter button is available. If you click in the filter button, it's showing it is impacted with what type of filter? What type of
Filter from
filter?
slicer.
Yeah, category is mix. Now, if you go for this one, now you can observe here this filter, there is no filters are available here because we applied this filter under the visualization category. We applied filter on this visual category, we applied it. As we applied under this one, whatever filters you apply, those things straight away go and try to impact this one only, it's going to impact. It won't impact other visualizations. If I go for side page also, if you go for the second page, no impact. If you go for third page, no impact because we applied at the visualization level we applied. Okay, now what I will do is I will try to remove this one. I am trying to remove this mix. I am removing. Now both are available in the same level. Now I will apply filter on the page level. What will happen? So let's say I am trying to go for category column again. Category column dragging and dropping onto this page level. Page level I am trying to drag and drop. As you know, on this page, how many visualizations we have? On
Two.
this page, two visualizations we have. This is the one visualization, visualization two. This is the one visualization, that is visualization one. If I apply anything here, that is going to impact straight away this, as well as straight away it's going to impact this also, it's going to impact it. Let us observe, is it really impacting or not? I am selecting, for example, mix. Then you can notice both the things are impacted, both are showing now mixed data. Suppose I am selecting rural also, then mixed rural, both is showing mixed and rural. If I select one more, straight away we can able to observe it. Both are impacting here. Both are impacting. And this filter, whatever available, mixed rural and urban, is it applied on the second page and third page?
No.
No.
No. If you go and try to see that duplication of page two, I am seeing mixed rural urban as well as youth also I am seeing it. Youth also I am seeing it. Okay, that means this is not applied here. We can able to observe here youth is available in this both the pages, but not here. Why? Because we selected only mixed rural and urban. Youth we are not interested in this one. So like that we provided. Now I'm trying to clear this one also. Now I'm closing this one. Let us clear it. I cleared it. Now this time I would like to apply the filter on all the pages I want to apply. Then go and try to drag and drop this category column onto the all pages. Now I drag it into the all pages. I am selecting the mix. Now you can observe this visualization is impacted. This visualization is impacted. And if you go to the other page, is it going to impact?
Yes.
Yes. Now you can observe this also impacted, showing the mix. If you go to the other page, that also impact.
Yes.
Yeah. Now here also you can observe this also impacted. So that's how we can able to understand here what you mean by all pages level filter, this page level filter, visualization level filter, you can able to understand. So total we have three types of filters we have it. One is filter on this visual, filter on this page level, filter on all pages level. Okay, now I think we are good with this one. That's what I want to explain in this case. So slicer already explained it in the previous classes. We learned about it. Nothing much to know about it. Exploring the filter span, we know now we can apply filter on the visualization level. Okay, or we can apply filter on the page level, or you can apply filter on the entire report. Entire report means all the pages. Entire report means all the pages. So we did those all activities we did here and we completed. Until through we referred previous lesson, you can go and you can do that. Okay, some help documents also I provide here. You can go and you can see those things. Now, let us move on to the next one then. Okay, we are good with this filters. We are good with this.